Hey guys, Mobile Geezer again. And this time I'm back with a video that's just kind of informational for T-Mobile users. This is specific to you guys and myself, of course. I came across a Phone Arena article from 5 days ago that I didn't pay any attention to until today. And I noticed that the T-Mobile app has been retired. So let's go take a look at the article. Then I'll show it to you on my Pixel 9 Pro and on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's take a look.
Let's do this!
So as I said, it's on Phone Arena, and you can see it was published the 14th, so 5 days ago. T-Mobile is no longer letting you decide which app to use. Written by Anand Hamid. And let me drop it into Reader View and show you what we're talking about. The writing was on the wall. It has long been rumored that the T-Life app that was launched early last year was going to replace the original T-Mobile app. I didn't even know that. I guess I haven't been paying attention. The carrier is now asking its customers to delete the T-Mobile app. The T-Mobile app was released 12 years ago. When T-Life was first announced, it marked the retirement of the T-Mobile Tuesdays app, that I did know, that had been around since 2016. It then began gaining features previously found in the T-Mobile app, sparking rumors that the latter was about to be deprecated. I didn't even notice that when I used the T-Life app, and I only use it for T-Mobile Tuesdays. T-Mobile unofficially supported those claims by pulling the T-Mobile app from app marketplaces and later making it unusable for many users. In December, T-Mobile's consumer group president John Freire said that the company was consolidating most of its apps into T-Life to make it a super app. I guess they want to be like Elon, I don't know. And now T-Mobile is straight up asking its customers to delete the app. Reddit user ExpressI4573 received a notification from the carrier telling them that they should down T-Life and delete the T-Mobile app. I think they mean download. I received a notification today from T-Mobile informing me that the T-Life app was now the app to use. It told me to delete the T-Mobile app after I installed the T-Life app. I deleted the T-Mobile app today. T-Mobile has been encouraging subscribers to download T-Life for some time now to prepare for the eventual wind down of the legacy app. And at least I did download the T-Life a long time ago. The company's employees were instructed to convince customers visiting its stores to get T-Life, and the company has also been sending emails to request users to download T-Life. In case you have been putting off downloading T-Life, you cannot delay it any longer. Otherwise, not only will you not be able to claim T-Mobile Tuesdays freebies, but you will also have to do many of the account management tasks the old way, which might inconvenience you. Many T-Mobile customers were having a hard time letting go of T-Mobile, but now that it doesn't even work for many users and will stop working for everyone soon, you have no choice but to delete it from your phone. Otherwise, it will keep occupying storage unnecessarily. So let me stop screen and show you. So you can see here, I've had the T-Mobile and the T-Life side by side for a long time. But when you click on the T-Mobile app, the old T-Mobile app, you get a note that tells you it doesn't work anymore, or it takes you right into the T-Life app. I've had both happen. Now, on the iPhone, it doesn't say T-Mobile app anymore. It says Legacy T-Mobile app, and the T-Life app is still there. And when you click on that, that takes you also to the T-Life app. So either way, you can't really use the old T-Mobile app anymore, so you might as well delete it. So just wanted to let you guys know about that in case you've missed it. I guess I've been missing it for a long time, so in case you've missed it like I have. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, Please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.